Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to show you how to prepare chicken cheese momo. So let's get started. The ingredients used are maida, onion, ginger, cheese, chicken keema, salt and refined oil. Prepare maida dough adding salt and water. To prepare momo stuffing, add a finely chopped onions, chicken keema, crushed ginger, cheese. You can also add grated cheese, salt as per your convenience, and refined oil. Mix all the ingredients properly. Keep the water for boiling and meanwhile grease the steamer with refined oil. Divide the dough in equal portions and start making round shaped roti. If your dough is sticky, dust a little bit of maida on top of it. Keep the stuffings inside the roti and seal it. In order to make sure the stuffing doesn't come out, please seal the roti in the way I am showing. Once the stuffing is done, arrange the raw momos in the steamer. Make sure it's kept separately. Keep the steamer on top of the boiling water for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I will check if the momos are cooked or not. If it's still sticky, you need to cook it for a little longer. Here's my yummy chicken cheese momos are ready. Best served with spicy red chutney. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.